The libbz2 Library DLL pop-up is a major roadblock for software performance. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm going to automate this repair for you. I recommend the automated system scan for libbz2 library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the libbz2 library, the Bzip2 Compression library. It provides unmanaged localized high-ratio localized compression and localized extraction routines for localized cross-platform, localized software data links. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. To resolve the conflict, you should reinstall Bzip2 manually. Navigate to Microsoft's website, download the Visual C++ packages for x86 and x64, and run them both to refresh the system. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the libbz2 library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter-manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. The versions of libbz2 library DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're addressing libbz2 library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped libbz2 library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.